Welcome guys to another episode of MRC Motorcycle Rides in California. And like I said, I was going to show you my daughter's bike. Now, what this bike is, it's called a MiniMoto Maxi Electric Pocket Bike, or they call it the 36 Volt Honda Mini Bike. I got this bike basically because one, in California,
you're looking at that wave and saying, hey bud, let's party.
Anything gas on the street is illegal, so getting an electric bike is the key. Another reason why I got it, it's cheap, it's fun, and my daughter gets to go fast and enjoy and have fun, and it's a fun bike. So guys, what this video is not necessarily a promotion. I'm not sponsored by these people, but at the same time, I'm having fun watching my daughter ride it, enjoy. Again, if you're thinking about buying this type of bike, it's fun for somebody, I'd say maybe age 7 to 12 or 11 or something like that. So other than that, hope you enjoy it, take care, and ride smart, be smart. Peace. You're good, you're good, you're good. You're good, you're good. That's why I said stay on the right. Stay on the right.